Medea's turning 6.
Medea turning 6?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, she's turning 6 years old.
And I'm about to turn 6 too.
Ooh, when's your birthday?
December 30th.
December 30th?
Yep.
What you gonna do?
Just actually sing happy birthday to me while everybody else sing it.
Right. And what do you want for your birthday?
A toy.
A toy?
Uh-huh.
So like what kind of toy is it?
Like the Barbie doll one with the 2 babies. The doctor one with the 2 babies in it.
You sure?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, we got the cake and we got mac and cheese. So what about her drink? Like what type of drink you think she gonna want?
Let's see. I don't know. Maybe one of these.
A breast?
It's a soda breast.
It's a breast. Okay, you wanna leave that out?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like a soda breast.
Soda breast? Okay.
Okay. That's all we need today.
That's all. Okay, so we got cake,
Macaroni and cheese.
macaroni and cheese.
Okay, this macaroni and cheese for today. And cake. And we got some soda.
Some soda. Ooh. You think she gonna love this?
Yes.
Okay. All
So
right,
let's
but first we gotta go to the store and go get the
Okay.
cake and to make it, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Malachi,
What's up?
we're making a cake for Medea. Hi guys, we're making a cake today.
What are we making?
A cake today.
Well, it's over here. So look.
We're making this cake today, everybody.
And who are we doing it for?
For Medea.
For Medea? And
Yes.
then what else we got? We got to show them the other stuff.
Strawberry cake.
Strawberry cake, but what is this? Is this the frosting?
The frosting strawberry cake.
And then we got actually what?
Strawberries.
Huh?
We got strawberries for the cake for Medea.
The strawberries. And then what else do we got?
We got some numbers.
For the what?
Cake of Medea.
Okay. So you ready? So what you want to say? What you want to say? What else you want to say?
Like we got cake and we got some.
We got some good, right?
We got some good. Yes. And we got some cake. We got some strawberry. We got some numbers for the cake.
And then what else do we got for y'all?
Macaroni and cheese.
Ooh, what is the Cheeto kind? The one with kind?
Yes.
And then what else we got? And we have what else we got? What is that? The cheesy jalapeno.
Yeah.
All
We
right,
got
so
strawberries, numbers.
so these will be coming up soon. Okay.
They'll come up soon when we start making the cake. Get ready for Uncle Black with us.
He's gonna be filming.
So today, guys, let's go start. Let's start.
All right, so you gotta clap. No. You gotta clap once. So let's say it again. It said, let's get started in.
Let's get started in. Oh. Hi,
You
everyone.
gotta, is it the light?
Yeah, it's in there.
Hi, everyone. Today we're making a strawberry cake.
And what else we're gonna use to mix it? We're gonna use this what?
Pen.
It's a big old bowl, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna use this big old bowl to what we're gonna do with the big old bowl?
Like this. Make the cake, everyone.
Let's see what we have in there.
We have some cake. We have cake, everyone. We got cake, everyone.
Okay, and what else is something else in there? That's it?
Yeah.
Okay. What else do we need? So talk to the camera and I'll go get the rest of the stuff, okay?
Today we're gonna use with the strawberry cake in the pen. Because when we make the strawberry in the pen, it's gonna be in the pen. So let's get started. And first we start with the eggs.
How many eggs? It says 3. It says we need what? You gotta read the box.
Hi.
How you gonna know how many eggs you gonna put in there? So here, where's the box? Read the box and what it says, how many eggs?
It says put 1 egg in the pan. Put 3 eggs in the pan and bake your pan with the cake. First, get the pot.
So how many eggs?
3 of them.
Okay, we got 1.
2, 3.
Okay. And
Let's get the pan.
Got the eggs, right?
Yeah. So everyone, we're gonna
Hold on.
I know how to do it.
You know how to do it? Okay. That's it.
Oh.
All right, Brooklyn.
Okay, then you need to get your mixer and mix it up. And then put it in.
And what else it says?
And put it in the oven. That's all it said.
Put it in the oven.
Yeah. Okay, everyone. First, we're going to put the cake in there now. Everyone, we put the cake in there now.
Wait. You gotta add 1 cup of water.
Oh. Okay, everyone. Now we get 1 cup of water, pour it in the pan, and get our cake in there. So today, everyone, we're going to start with the cake next, and then the strawberries.
Okay.
So today,
Come over here.
everyone, now we're going to start with the cake.
Okay.
Okay,
And what else we
everyone.
gonna do? We're gonna mix it, right?
Yes.
Hold on.
What our mixer, everyone. So Desiree's gonna do it for me.
All right, I'm gonna do it.
So
We're gonna mix it.
We're gonna mix it together. We're gonna mix it, the cake up.
Ooh. Uh-oh.
It's delicious.
Hmm?
It's delicious.
It's delicious.
Yes. Okay, that's enough.
That's enough.
Yes.
And what else do we do to read the box?
Let me read that box. Where's that box? Next, put it in the oven.
Put it in it.
Yes, oven.
Okay.
Don't have an oven.
So grab a pen, like a big old pen, and see if we can put this in there.
A big old pan.
Mm-hmm.
Oh! How about this? It's a big old pan. Oh, actually, Brooklyn and Desiree and me would do it.
So do we need anything to add in here?
Yeah. We'll need something like that. Uh-huh.
All right, so why don't you spray the pan?
Spray it.
Yeah. Or you want me to spray it?
I do.
Okay.
I don't know how to spray it.
So first we have what?
The peanut butter one. Peanut butter.
We have the butter spraying pan.
Yeah.
If we can get some in there.
Cousin, do you have the potty?
You gotta
Guys, we're gonna put strawberry, and then Rain's gonna cut the strawberries.
gonna cut the strawberries. So over here, you have cutting the strawberries, and what
I'm fine.
we're gonna do is we're gonna put this in the cake. Brooklyn. Okay. So we'll be back. We'll be back when we cut all these up. Okay. Hope she don't break my damn hand. I mean, darn hand. Hope she don't break my hand. Just saying. I got a hand too. Alright. Now that we cut,
The strawberries.
we're gonna. What's first? We're gonna put it in there, okay? So you twist and I pour, okay? Alright. So, no. You're gonna twist the, yeah. Matter of fact, put this right here, that one right there. Alright, put this back. So you're gonna do this, okay? For me. Alright. Ready? Alright, go. Ooh. It's in there. It's going in there. Alright, stop. Now we're gonna add the strawberries.
And I'll just.
No. You wanna put it in there?
Yeah.
Alright, put it in. You gotta put it all around. Make sure it gets all in there. My dad, this is for my dad. We don't even know what we doing. We just making it.
No, we're making the cake and baking it.
Okay, we baking the cake.
Making and baking.
Making and baking. Gotta make sure it's some in there over there.
Take.
Alright. So, and we're gonna continue. That's what you wanna do? You wanna continue?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, look at the water. It looks kind of water.
Okay, it's enough. It's enough.
If we mess up on this, we got 2 more. So, we're gonna put our cake to what?
In the oven.
Wait. We gotta preheat our oven to 350. Put it to 315. Okay?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday and what?
And she blows her candles.
She blows her candles.
And then we sing. And then she opened the present.
What present? What you give her?
A present.
What is it?
It's gonna be some.
You gotta talk to the camera.
It's gonna be some toys and stuff and something.
You don't want to tell her you love her?
Yep.
Tell her.
I love you, Medea.
Smile.
Love you, Medea. The horn.
Do you wanna horn it?
Yeah.
We're gonna do this.
We're gonna do this, everybody.
All right, that's it. We're gonna put it in the oven, guys. She's gonna put it in the oven. It's in there, and we're gonna wait. All right, that's it. It's in there. Thank you, Brooklyn.
Now,
All right. No. It's in there. It's already set. Now we wait.
we wait, guys.
We wait.
Yes. But thank you. Bye.